I am S. Nandini and my batchmate is A. Amini. We are from Beltech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Saguntala Engineering College. We are guided by Mr. G. Pandian and our topic is security challenges in vehicular cloud computing. And the abstract is the vehicles when it is manufactured it will be available with the onboard devices and these devices will be having a radar and sensors, and we are using the vehicular cloud in this. The details of the car and the owner will be stored in the vehicular cloud. The client that is the users, whenever they are when they are needed a file, they can send request to the server and they can browse the file, and this can be provided with security by one-time password and the digital signature. And the technologies we are using are the cloud computing, and cloud computing is the on-demand service. Whenever the user needs an infrastructure, a service or a platform, they can pay money and they can have the service to it. And the next one we are using is VANET. It is vehicular ad hoc network. The car for a particular region, they will form a network and they communicate with each other. And this is the vehicular cloud. It is similar to the cloud computing, and it is of two types: infrastructure based vehicular cloud and autonomous vehicular cloud. And the existing system is at present the security is lagging, and the client who is liable for the accident can use the loopholes, and they can invade the cloud and they can easily change their details so that they can easily escape from the cases. And the existing system, public and the private keys are used during the encryption and decryption. So the disadvantages are the tracking of the vehicles is much difficult in the accident cases, and so we are proposing a new technique is digital signature along with a one-time password. Digital signature is for checking the authorized client whether they are authorized or not, and one-time password is provided when the client is requesting. They will be providing with the keys. And the advantages are we can achieve confidentiality, integrity and availability so that the user data and documents will be more secure in the vehicular cloud. And this is system architecture. The user can communicate with the virtual machine, and the virtual machine will be request to the cloud and it will give the details to us. And during this message transfer, private keys and OTP is provided. And these are the modules list we are using. And the first module is registration module. As I said before, an entire region will be divided into a particular areas. So each area will be providing with a virtual machine. If a car enters into a particular area, it gets logged into it, and if it leaves it, it gets quitted from it. And the authentication is if client requests to the server, it first checks whether the user is an authorized or unauthorized person, and it comes under the authentication module. And the server side module, if the person is an authorized person, the server, that is the cloud, will give the keys along with the file. Now we go for the execution. These two are the client side modules. Now the two clients are requesting to the cloud. See, the client request is sent, and the second client is also requesting. The request is sent. The request is indicated by these two green lights, and now we have to browse a file. and the default IP will be given 127.0.0.1, and we must generate the key. The key is generated. Now the key has to send to both the clients. See, the key is sent. It is for the node 3. And we have to receive the file. The file has been received in the encrypted format. Thank you.